In today's video, I'll show you how to connect Toggl Track to Todoist so you can time your tasks without ever leaving your to-do list. It takes about a minute and you only set it up once. Let's start from anywhere inside Todoist. First, press the letter O on your keyboard to open the menu, then the letter S to jump straight into your settings. When the settings panel opens, you'll see a list down the side with Account, General, Theme, and more. Go ahead and click Integrations. This is the home for every connection Todoist can make with the other tools you already use every day. At the top, you'll see 3 tabs: Installed, Browse, and Developer. Click the Browse tab. This opens the full gallery of available integrations, a long alphabetical list of apps that plug straight into Todoist. Scroll until you find Toggl Track, then click it to open its page. Toggl Track is a popular and simple time tracker, and this is where the two tools shake hands. On the page, click the green Connect button. A new window opens asking you to sign into your Toggl account and approve the connection. Sign in, then approve. Todoist never sees your password. It only gets permission to start timers on the tasks you choose. Once it's linked, tracking your hours gets effortless. A Start Timer button appears right on your Todoist tasks, so you click it, do the work, and stop it when you're done. Every minute logs back to Toggl automatically, which means accurate timesheets without you ever copying a task name by hand. That's the whole setup. Connect it once, and timing your work becomes a single click instead of a separate chore. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.